Gemini, this is your channel messages for the 27th of October. I am your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and celebrity, celebrity tarot reader. Gemini, this is your channel song. Too much history, you make it so hard to believe you. Big woman thing, me not just why I'm a need you. I must chew you so right. No matter how much we cuss and fight, to we are alright. That's life. Me in love with every part of you, but if you style me, I come after you. Now go invest my money and you take me for fool. No it nah go so. Cause me must say the two we not start you so. Me love you deep in my heart, you know. Hey, cause you're the right type of man to come bring forth my son or my daughter, no. That one I name fine wine. Girl, you have me sexy all over my timeline. Can me think about the future, cause I say me find mine. And the love me have for you could have feel last for your lifetime. Woman, them again, nine put up carrots for your finger, make your haters girl blind. Tell all the group if you hold the sidelines, cause every girl me get, you want the right one, you want me number one. You're not gonna do me wrong, to what we day up on a label so we get along. Coming on the streets, come party with the Don. Babes and nothing if you're drinking there with your man. You want security then, you know where to get it from. Men not go searching on your phone, I'm not that type of man. And I'm living my style. Me in love with every part of you. Boy, all in all my thoughts and all my thoughts of you. Me just want you stay in my all day, all night and sad. See YouTube, they ask them how much time I talk about you. Me love you deep in my heart, you know. Hey, cause you're the right type of man. What we tell a man them say? What we tell a man say? Girl, me say your boom boom never shut a man, you're not sick in your middle. Jiggle, you feel jiggle, you feel jiggle. Think me a ramp with your pussy, me a fuck you like a pickle. Mine ticing up for your nipple. All the no, she a bud. She no want a little pickle. Me in love with every part. Exactly, Gemini, me getting him in love with every part. He's in love with every part of you. All in I'm meds and I'm thoughts about you. Him just want to stay in you all day, all night. Just rub it in there so. Ask co-workers. He spoke about you so many times. You should know this. Okay, so I'm getting, yeah. And most importantly, me nah go invest my money and you take me for fool. No it nah go so. Cause remember said the two with. He's not going to spend his money on you and then you ghost him. He's not going to take his money and give you and you go spend it on other man. He will not do that. He refused to be treated that way. He may be Erland Bartley, but he is not a clown. Let me tell you that. True love go on and on and on and on. On and on and on. First love go on and on and on and on. On and on and on. Alright, let's go ahead and go into your compatibility reading. Gemini. What me getting, yeah. You feel like you're compatible with somebody, and I feel like you feel like especially sexual wise, you're very compatible with them, but also you're compatible with them. So the last thing you need to know is, I'm not going to invest my money and you take me for fool. Going on fucking YouTube talking about how this simp gave you money and you'll be fucking damned. Okay, so let's go ahead and go into your compatibility reading. So let us see what is your desires. Yeah, the 9 of Cups. I'm getting wish, fulfillment, or as you wish. I'm getting, you'll get exactly what anything what you want, you will get. I'm getting, you're getting what you want. Or I'm getting that was the final thing you needed to know, Gemini. Will she take your money and take it for a fool? Because it not go so. It will not go that way. You will call Ontario's got. No, I'm joking. What is their desire? The 6 of Wands. So me getting, you say you don't want nobody take your money and run off. She don't want you to be enjoying her and you're not claim her. Me getting you have to claim somebody. As in you have to make your other bitches know that you're taking now. This is no discreet relationship. This is what I'm getting. Or maybe you're gonna pay somebody to be discreet. Maybe that's what you want. The theme is the King of Wands. Me getting a theme is a fire sign. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius man. Something about this man. Alka ain't trying to talk to Alka. Alka not trying to talk to me. Me not understand the King of Wands. Yeah, Sagittarius, King of Wands. I'm getting this is alkaline. Alka, what is happening, Alka? I'm getting a rush of fans. I'm getting it somewhere. People are like, Alka, I'm getting a beer people in front of you, alkaline. I'm getting something about alkaline and a beer people in front of you. Beer people outside your house or them outside somewhere where you're there. Alright? But your theme is, obviously, it's alkaline is your theme. Me are the number one. Me not gonna do you wrong. Two are we there upon a level so we get along. Coming at the street, come party with the Dan. Babes and nothing if you drink it there with your man. You want security then me know where to get it from. Me not searching on your phone and not that type of man. He's not that type of man. He would never search on your phone. Never. Not in my phone to hide, but I would be damned if I ain't searching yours. Okay, what is your challenges? Your challenge is a 4 of wands. You're getting you're not going to live with this man. Or you're getting something about. All 3 of these have wands in it. I'm getting this is never going to be a relationship where you live with him. You'll never share a residence with this. With alkaline, you feel like you're in love. You feel like you're in love. You've been there before. Twinkle got there last year upon a tour. Him asked her if she want feel it be her back. She said no. Make burner boy buy a back for her. Right? This is what the fuck happened. Because you're never going to be in the same location with them long term. They're artists, they travel. Okay? Or you travel, Gemini. Emotional compatibility. Emotionally, you better do right by this person. Come and getting Gemini your police. I'm getting your police. So emotionally compatible, you have no other choice of being emotionally compatible because I'm getting his friends are police officers. They will bully you to be emotionally compatible. I'm getting a Cancer. I'm getting a police. It's a police officer. It's an officer. It's an officer. Your physical compatibility is a Page of Swords. Okay. And your mental compatibility is the High Priestess. But me getting you feel like somebody know you. They know everything about you. They know the bad, the good, the ugly. Mentally, you're here, which means you trust somebody or you feel like somebody can guide you the right way. But me getting when it comes down to physical and emotional, me getting this if Gemini never even consider if you find them attractive. Did they consider this? Or them just assume that because they were a police officer and they were a Gemini, you would just like them? Did they assume this? I don't know what they assume. I'm getting somebody's assuming you're already manly. But I mean, I'm not going to say somebody look bad, Gemini, but I'm getting, I mean, it's not like, let's just calm down, Gemini. Because I'm getting that you want the girl compliment you more than you compliment the girl. This could be because of your ego being a police officer. You're not necessarily friendly with the public, even though you want her public. I want Publix. I want my Publix deli sandwich so bad, oh my god. That's why I'm glad I'm not pregnant. If I'm pregnant, I probably would have crave one Publix deli sandwich. I mean, I know where I get that from, because I'm in Canada. I'm going to ask for a fucking explain to immigration. I have to go back to Canada, to America, drive over America to get one Publix deli sandwich. And a fucking framboise. That's in French. Framboise iced tea drink. I want Publix. I want please. I'll do anything. I'll do anything. I want pub. I'm sorry. I don't know what I'm going to after. I don't know which man I'm going to take me off after this. I don't know. Honestly. Right now, I wing it. I wing it right now. I wing my relationship life right now. Okay? So I'm getting a police officer. I'm getting them assume that you like them. Or I'm getting something about a police officer and alkaline. I'm getting a police officer white. I'm getting alkaline, which is the theme. I'm getting the theme is about, alright, so I don't know where you're in with police. Alkaline, where you're in? Who you have which police officer you ever watched, girl? You thought, I don't know. The last time I saw a policeman watching a girl for a man was Adija. I was sit them. Good morning, sit them, right? I don't know nobody else. When we getting you in a something with police and your police are watch people. I don't know what you want. What do you want? I don't know what you want. Me are your number one, I'm not gonna do you wrong. Two are we there upon a level so we get along. Coming down the streets, I feel like alkaline is like low-key nerdy. Low-key alkaline nerdy. I'm getting at the ghetto and the hate and the bullying turning that way. But I'm getting low-key, that guy don't watch TV. Low-key guy that like sit down and smoke and talk about life. Low-key. Like, that guy's not into technology low key. Like Alkaline, I know you. I know you. No, I'm the one right now. I just some company. Alcohol. Me want somebody when don't want me. Me want somebody for me today, tomorrow, then no call me. Where you there yesterday, no ask me. Me too busy, I worry about myself and money. 1, they can 2, they can 3, they can 4. But fuck that and still want some more. Regular man come and go through the door. Sex alone, nothing more. You feel like you're in love, me been there before. Me went to Montreal on a tour. Him say him want feel me raw. Me say no. My father really thinks say me gonna breathe for you. I'm gonna leave it here. Ow. Okay, let's see what's happening. You feel like you're in love, Alka. I've been there before. I went to Miami, West Palm Beach on a tour. Alka, you say you want to feel it there back. I said no. Alka, I'm afraid so I'm gonna breathe for you. Alka, don't you have baby mothers? I can be a stepmother. I have no problem doing that. But you feel like you're in love? I have been there before. But I was in La Perry on a tour. You should know this. You say you want to feel it bareback. I said no, Alka, no, I can't make it feel bareback, Alka. I can't breathe for you. I can't breathe for you. One night stand. So I get to use a condom. Or me getting somebody's like, I want to feel you. I want to feel the real you. Really? Because I want to see how much you really have in your bank account. One night stand, the Hierophant, and you feel like you're in love. Alka, I've been there before now. I've been there before. I go to Westmoreland on a tour. He's told me he wanted to feel it bareback. I said, me, you want to feel me bareback? Me, raw? You want to get raw? Sorry, I can't another girl breathe for you. Prophet. Going to be carrying the prophet's child? Really? Tell me, how was the prophet born? You know, so one time, Alkaline came up on a tour and he put me in the middle of the house, overseeing the balcony, and I saw the Messiah was born. Anyways, I'm going to leave it here until next time.